Hello everyone, I'm Angelini Kiribai, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women. How's. Today we are going to see about scope and applications of microbiology. Introduction. Microorganisms are present everywhere on earth, which includes human, animals, plants, and other living creatures, soil, water, and atmosphere. Microbes can multiply in all three habitats except in the atmosphere. The influence of microorganisms in human life is both beneficial as well as detrimental also. Scope of microbiology. The scope in this field is immense due to the involvement of microbiology in many fields like medicine, pharmacy, dairy, industry, clinical research, water industry, agricultural, chemical technology, and nanotechnology. First one is medicine. It deals with the identification of plants and measures to cure disease of human and animals which are infectious to them. Then genetics. It mainly involves engineered microbes to make hormones, vaccine, antibiotics, and many other useful products for human being. The next field is agriculture. The influence of microbes on agriculture, the prevention of the disease that mainly damage the useful crops. Then food science. It one involves the prevention of spoilage of food and foodborne diseases, and the uses of microbes to produce cheese, yogurt, pickles, and beer. The next, immunology. The study of immune system which protect the body from pathogens. Industry. It involves use of microbes to produce antibiotics, steroids, alcohol, vitamins, and amino acids, etc. And agricultural microbiology. Try to combat plant diseases that attack important food crops, work on methods to increase soil fertility and crop yields, etc. Currently, there is a great interest in using bacterial or viral insects pathogens as substitute for chemical pesticides. Microbial ecology, biogeochemical cycles, bioremediations to reduce pollution effects. Food and dairy microbiology. It tried to prevent microbial spoilage of food and transmission of foodborne diseases such as botulism and salmonellosis. Use of microorganisms to make food such as cheese, yogurt, pickles, and beers. Then industrial microbiology used to make products such as antibiotics, vaccines, steroids, alcohol, and other solvents, vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes. Microbial physiology and biochemistry study the synthesis of antibiotics and toxins, microbial energy protection, microbial nitrogen fixation, effects of chemical and physical agents on microbial growth and survival, etc. The next one is microbial genetics and molecular biology. Nature of genetic information and how it regulated the development and function of cells and organisms. Development of new microbial strains that are more efficient in synthesizing useful products. Genetic engineering arisen from work of microbial genetics and molecular biology. Engineered microorganisms are used to make hormones, antibiotics, vaccines, and other products. New genes can be inserted into plants and animals. The next one is applications of microbiology. Microbiology is one of the largest and most complex of the biological science as it deals with many diverse biological disciplines. In addition to studying the natural history of microbes, it deals with every aspect of microbes, human and environmental interactions. These interactions include ecology, genetics, metabolism, infection disease, chemotherapy, immunology, genetic engineering, industry, and agriculture. The environment. Microbes are responsible for the cycling of carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus. It maintains the ecological balance on Earth. They are found in association with plants in symbiotic relationships, maintain soil fertility, and may also used to clean the environment of toxic compounds, that means bioremediations. Some are devastating plant pathogen, but other act as biological control agents against these diseases. Medicine. In medicine, disease causing ability of some microbes such as smallpox, cholera, malaria, they have also provided us with the means of their control in the form of antibiotics and other medically important drugs. Food. Microorganisms have been used to produce food from brewing and winemaking through cheese production and beer making to manufacture of soy sauce. In biotechnology, commercial applications include the synthesis of acetone, organic acids, enzymes, alcohols, and many drugs. Genetic engineering. Bacteria can produce important therapeutic substances such as insulin, human growth hormone, and interferon. Research. Because of their simple structure, they are easier to study most life processes in simple unicellular organisms than in complex multicellular ones. Millions of copies of the same single cell can be produced in large numbers very quickly and at low cost to give plenty of homogeneous experimental material. Because they reproduce very quickly, they are useful for studies involving the transfer of genetic information. Thank you.